I start whenever I'm ready? Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjeev Bharti, and today I am super excited to reveal my incredible superpower. Let me give you a few hints. Let's see if you can guess what it is. My superpower doesn't involve extravagant flying, because honestly, I'd probably get stuck in a tree, like a confused kite. It also doesn't involve lifting heavy objects. I tried that once, and my mom wasn't too thrilled when she saw the coffee table was mysteriously broken. And no, it doesn't involve freezing anyone, like Elsa from Frozen. If I had that power, I have froze my sister by now and been grounded forever. My superpower doesn't require any special training or any fancy equipment, but it does have a positive impact on people around me. It's contagious, but don't worry, you don't need a vaccine or a mask for this one. I know we're not allowed to bring any physical props to this competition. No capes, no gadgets, not even my lucky socks. But don't worry, everyone, because I bring my secret weapon with me today. Can you guess what it is? Drum roll, please. My superpower is my smile. Now, I know what you're thinking. A smile? Really? Yes, really. You see, a smile is like the Swiss Army knife of emotions. It's the universal language of warmth and acceptance. It's a natural beauty enhancer that can change both your appearance and your inner self. Did you know that a smile is the best makeup you can wear? And guess what? It's completely free. No need to hunt for coupons or wait for a flash sale. A smile is always in stock, always on offer, and always the best shade for every occasion. Parents, I can read your mind. No need to thank me. Enjoy your savings. No mirrors needed, no touch-ups required. It's 100% waterproof. And best of all, no one can take it from you. Unlike that fancy lipstick your friend borrowed last year, a smile is yours to keep. Plus it won't smudge, melt, or mysteriously disappear from your back. It's the ultimate beauty secret. Did you know it takes 37 muscles to frown and only 22 to smile? That's right, frowning is like a full-on exercise for your face. So if you're looking to skip the facial gym session, just go with a smile. It's like taking the elevator to happiness instead of the stairs. And the best part, something as simple as a smile can have a huge impact on the world. It's the easiest way to lift others up without any gym membership. Smiling makes us feel better. It's linked to lower stress levels and boost hormones that make us feel good, like endorphins, which are tiny little party chemicals for your brain. Smiling also reduces blood pressure. Crazy, right? A smile not only makes us seem more peaceful, but also makes us seem more capable and makes us seem more confident. And it's contagious. A smile is one of the things you can give away and keep. It's like handing out Costco samples, but unlike those, there's no limit to how many smiles you can give away. When you smile at someone, it's almost impossible for them not to smile back. It's like an instant happiness mirror effect. Smiling people are scientifically proven to do better academically and professionally. So basically, a smile is like a superpower for both being happier and for being smarter. It's multitasking at its finest. As Mother Teresa once said, every time you smile at someone, it's an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing. And guess what? A smile is a lot cheaper than flowers and chocolates. I'd like to wrap up my speech with one joke. Why did smile go to school? Any guesses? Because it wanted to brighten its future. Okay, Maybe it wasn't the best joke, but it made you smile. Didn't it? Raise your hand if it made you smile. Like this, there's always a reason to smile. Find that reason and keep smiling. You can all do it. And if you can't find a reason, just smile anyway. It confuses people in the best way possible. You're walking down the street or bumping into someone and you flash them a smile. It may seem like a small thing, but who knows? That small thing might have just turned their entire day around. Remember, a smile is the curve that sets everything straight. Except my hair on a humid day, but that's a story for another time. Thank you for listening and sharing your smiles with me today. Keep smiling and have an amazing day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Everyone, can we get some emojis for Sanjeev? Great job. All right, next we will choose third place. Can we give a huge round of applause to Vian? Congratulations, Vian. Congratulations. And Vian, I do have your certificate, which I will send to you, okay?
Can we unmute to clap?
Yeah, of course you can. You can unmute to clap, yes you can. Okay, in second place, I would like to give a huge round of applause to Sean. Congratulations, Sean. You did a wonderful job. Okay, everybody, the moment we have been waiting for, we will be awarding our first place contestant. Can we get a drum roll if you are unmuted? Drum roll. Yay! In first place, let's give a huge round of applause to Sanjeev. Congratulations, Sanjeev. Awesome. Okay, everybody, let me just quickly show you our certificates for you. So third place, Vian, you will get this in your email. Sean, you will get that in your email, and Sanjeev, you will get that in your email. Sanjeev, we will be discussing about the global contest, but congratulations to all of you. You all did an amazing job. Now, before we leave, I do want to see if we can take a quick photo op. We will see you on December 1st. So for new Gavel members, if you would like to return, we recommend that you come back next